You will listen to an audio comparing London and Madrid. Listen to the audio twice and repeat the sentences out loud to practice pronunciation. Write down the full comparative sentences you hear in context. For example, London is larger than Madrid, or the streets in London are busier than those in Madrid. London is larger than Madrid, with a population of approximately 8.9 million people, making it the third most populous city in Europe. Madrid, in contrast, has around 3.3 million residents. The streets in London are often busier and more crowded than those in Madrid. However, Madrid enjoys more sunshine and warmer temperatures throughout the year. London is renowned for landmarks like Big Ben and the Tower of London, while Madrid boasts the Royal Palace and expansive plazas. Notably, the Royal Palace of Madrid is one of the largest functioning palaces in Europe, with a floor area of 135,000 square metres, surpassing Buckingham Palace's 77,000 square metres. In terms of climate, Madrid experiences hotter summers and milder winters compared to London. London's temperate maritime climate brings consistent rainfall throughout the year, making it rainier than Madrid. Madrid's Mediterranean climate offers abundant sunshine, making it a popular destination for outdoor activities. While London can be humid during the summer months, Madrid's dry heat is more intensive. London's bustling streets and diverse cultural scene make it one of the most exciting cities in Europe. Madrid, however, is often praised for its lively atmosphere and friendly locals. Both cities offer unique experiences, London with its rich history and global influence, and Madrid with its vibrant festivals and culinary delights.